Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how can we convert a PDF file into Word file without using any other software rather than Word. We will just use Microsoft Word and convert a PDF file into Word file without changing its fonts, and it is totally free and it is too much easy. It will take just few seconds. Now we are going to start this process. Here is a PDF file named as Cambridge Primary Checkpoint English Paper 2019. Now I am going to change it into Word file by using Microsoft Word. I will click on this. I right click on this and here is an option Open with. Now scroll down and choose Microsoft Word. You will choose here Microsoft Word. Here is the word. I have choose Microsoft Word. Now OK. As you will OK, it will open in Microsoft Word. I have Microsoft Word Office 2019. Now it will take just few seconds to convert it into Microsoft Word file. Here is the file which is totally converted into Word file, and you will be able to edit it in the Word. As you can see, it has changed the PDF file into Word file and you can edit it easily as you wish. This was an easy process through which you can convert a PDF file into a Word file. I think you will like this because it is too much easy and totally free of cost. If you like this video, please share and like this video. If you want to ask any question, please put a comment below the comment section and subscribe my channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.